Where's Santa? Ho ho. Santa. Ho ho ho. Where's Santa? You're right, Drew. What's Santa say, Ava? Ho ho ho. Yeah, there's Santa. I know you know, Drew. What's Santa say? Give me a good ho ho ho. Who's watching? Look up there on that shelf. Who is it? The elf. And what happens if you're not good? Who does the elf tell? Who's the elf? And what's gonna happen if you're bad? You get on what list? What?
Naughty list.
And then what will happen if you're on the naughty list?
On the no presents.
No presents. That's right. So what are you gonna do?
Be a good boy.
All right.